Let's see if I can show you in here. It's kind of hard to see, but if you get right down in there, I think you can, there you go. See it in behind there's some debris. That's what we want to clean out. Then if you look at the lenses on the side there, you see that angle? How they're kind of angled this way? It's supposed to be the other way around. Who knew? The angle we were talking about is, you see this angle over here, how it's slanted that way? Previous owner wanted it that way. I remember him saying he flipped them. But realistically, this angle should be the opposite. So the real McCoy has it. The other thing in there is, if you look, let's see if we can get her to focus. Yeah, you can see how it's kind of dirty in there. So debris does gather up after a while, so we'll clean those out. Took that off, made access a lot easier, got it stored in a safe place. Now, on this side you'll see we've got the light out. It's there. Now we're going to work on this side. Well, it's just about impossible to get you guys right in there, so I'll do my best. Let's get our wiring out of the way. Maybe. Another one back there, I think. I just can't see it. Because everybody's in the way. Now I gotta try and clip this blind without getting any wiring. There we go. Alright, and then it is on a quick disconnect, which is nice. There we go. Let's see if we can't undo it now. Off. Now we gotta reach the one. Comes. So come on up here. So now you can see a little better. The rust is forming on that back line there, so we'll get that. Put a little fluid film on it to keep it. We'll clean up those. How much you gonna be able to see, but do my best. Just get up the Windex glass cleaner. I'm using my razor end of the pencil to get in there. Get my hand in there for some of it, but not much of it. Along here now is all cleaned up. Now we gotta tackle this back edge here. You see where it's all rusting along there? That's under the light. There you go. I don't want to spray it because it'll get on everything. Once I get a seal, I can spray it backside. Just let some rest as well. Alright, so got some fluid film in a cup, dabbing it on the end, putting it in there. On this side, just dabbing it in the crack there. It's got some signs. You aren't going to be able to see it, but I'll show you afterwards. Kind of getting it all in a crack, and then come back and wipe it out. Okay. It looks darker now just because of the fluid film. It's probably making it look darker, but I cleaned up. Reassembly. I know it's hard to see, but it is in there. Fluid film in there as well. The only rust spots on that side. You can see that is the way it's supposed to be, apparently. I think I got it right. Hope I got it right. Nice and clean. Just gotta do the other side and put the lid back on. Here's we're back up and running. It went back in the same place, as you can see. So we're good, other than she's still dirty from the last run. Got the spots all over it. But that's okay. Another day. I think with that, we shall call it a weekend. I don't understand this. Goop in the corner. See it? Another day.